Well, the Pro Advisor Tools has buy up bonds. We should also have trim down bonds, and we do. And this is for multiple accounts. This is going to assume that you have the position in one account already. So rather than duplicate the same program because it's the exact same for buy up bonds, the difference is you're going to eliminate the buys on one and eliminate the sells on the other. This is strictly a buy program or a sell program. So you'll go through your default folders, your QSIP that you enter, you're going to import and all that other stuff, and then create the magic using our after download from Schwab button. You'll get your import results, and you could adjust if you need to. Same process, but specifically, what is different? What's different is there's no button here for rounding up or rounding down to the 1,000. This is just going to automatically round down. And then the exact process is the same. You're going to export a sales order, just like you have other buy bond trades. Export as a block, individual allocation, what other method?